In this video, we are going to learn how to solve these JAMB commerce problems under types of insurance, a subtopic in Ace to Trade, and we have about 15 to 17 repeated questions prior to the video. Let's get started. The first question I have here is an example of a non-insurance risk is burglary, accident, fire, speculation. The right answer is option D, which is speculation. The next repeated question is one. It says the type of insurance policy that is compulsory in international trade, so that all goods passing through the sea must be covered, is considered to be. We have motor vehicle insurance, life insurance, aviation insurance, marine insurance. The right answer is option D, which is marine insurance. Next question is this one. It's a floating policy is an example of we have fire insurance, actuaries insurance, motor insurance, marine insurance. So the right answer is option D, which is marine insurance. Okay. Next question is this one. It says when a company insures the lives of all its employees collectively, the policy is we have fleet insurance, accident insurance, fidelity guarantee insurance, group insurance. The right answer is option D, which is group insurance. Next question is this one. It says insurance against burglary is an example of we have indemnity insurance, non-insurable risk, non-indemnity insurance, fidelity guarantee insurance. The right answer is option A, which is indemnity insurance. Okay. Next question is this one. It says you have just bought a new car. What insurance policy will you take to cover it? We have fidelity guarantee insurance, marine insurance, fire insurance, accident insurance. So the right answer is option D, which is accident insurance. Next question is this one. It says you have this is just a big question. The right answer here is option C, which is accident insurance. Next question is this one. It says the agreement of insurers to spread risk among themselves as a major feature is a major feature of marine insurance under life insurance, reinsurance. So the right answer is option D, which is reinsurance. Okay. The next question is one. It says an insured risk which occurs accidentally as a result of defects in a ship is a total loss, a particular average, an emergency budget policy. The right answer is option B, which is a particular average. Okay, very important. Next question is one. It says a type of marine insurance which covers the ship against damages which may result from the perils of the sea is known as we have cargo insurance, freight insurance, hull insurance, ship owner's liability. The right answer is option C, which is hull insurance. Okay. Next question is one. It says the difference between indemnity insurance and non-indemnity insurance is that the latter provides consolidation payment to the insured, cover for the importers against risk, cover for the exporters against risk, full payments to the insured. Right answer is option A, which is consolidation payment to the insured. Very important. Next question is one. It says an insurance policy which is not a contract of indemnity is we have life insurance, burglary insurance, fire insurance, motor insurance. So guys, the right answer to this question is option A, which is life insurance. Next question is one. It says the type of insurance policy that is compulsory in international trade, so that all goods passing through the sea must be covered, is considered to be. I think this is a repeated question. The right answer is option D, which is marine insurance. Next question is one. It says insurance against burglary is an example of indemnity insurance. So this seems to be a repeated question as well. So the right answer is option A. This question is one. It says endowment policy in insurance business is an aspect of we have accident insurance policy, life insurance policy, fidelity guarantee insurance policy, motor vehicle insurance policy. So guys, endowment policy insurance business is an aspect of life assurance policy, option B. Okay. Next question is one. It says the major difference between insurance and assurance is that while insurance hinges on probabilities, assurance is based on possibilities. Yes guys, this is the right answer, option A. The last question before I end this video is this one. It says the type of marine insurance which cover either damage or loss to the vessel and such as caused by it to other vessels is we have cargo insurance, time insurance, freight insurance, hull insurance. The right answer is option D, hull insurance. Okay. So guys, this basically can do a problem involving types of insurance, a subtopic in Ace to Trade for your JAMB commerce practice with about 15 to 17 questions for this subtopic. Hope you learned something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. So like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned in the video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask, I know what I talked about in the video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below, and I will ensure to give you a response. So ensure that I'm part of the membership by clicking the JAMB button and getting premium information that help you to sell your SNE exams like your JAMB and other SNE exams will be right. Okay, so having done this, click the next button. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.